Hello and welcome back to Only Pay. We'll be discussing about higher interest in fixed deposits and how to earn high interest fixed deposits. Be sure to watch all the way to the end. If you are new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button below from our life-changing content. A fixed deposit is a great way of earning assured and fixed returns on your savings. They are safe, let you plan your finances and save you future goals. And over a long period of time, they help you accumulate considerable amount of wealth. Whether you are working individual or are retired, a fixed deposit is an investment option that can help you charter at a specific financial goals and needs. With Indus Bank, you can open a fixed deposit account online, earn some of the best in class interest rates, and enjoy many other benefits that take you closer to financial independence one step at a time. So, if you are looking to open a fixed deposit account, here are 5 reasons you should open from Indus Bank. High interest rates. Interest rates is probably the most important factor to consider when deciding which fixed deposit account to open. With a large enough amount, even the slightest change in interest rate can have a big impact on your end gains. Also, as time passes and the effects of compounding start taking effect, the impact of interest rates on your final profits grows exponentially. So, it is important to park your hard-earned savings in a fixed deposit that offers high interest rates. With Indus Bank, you get just that. Indus Bank offers some of the highest fixed deposit interest rates in the market, so that your saving not only stay safe but also grow as a considerable piece. Hassle-free instant booking. When starting something new, taking the first step is always the hardest. That is why at Indus Bank we have made it really for simple and everyone to open a fixed deposit completely online. All it takes your PAN and Aadhaar ID, and your account will be up and running on time. Auto renewal options. Auto renewal option is the option to automatically renew your fixed deposit when it matures. The options is very useful if you have no use of your funds when your fixed deposit matures. This way, you make sure that your savings remain intact and they keep on earnings in high interest rates. With Indus Bank, it is your choice whether you want to open options or not. If you use your funds and would like to withdraw them at the end of the fixed deposit terms, you can simply opt out the options. Multiple options for interest payments. With Indus Bank, you also get to choose the frequency at which you get paid the interest for your deposit amount. Choose from monthly, quarterly, half, or yearly, at your maturity interest payments depending on your specific needs. Tax saver fixed deposit. Did you know that you can taxes while saving money in your Indus Bank FD? If you opt your fixed deposit with tenors greater than 5 years, annual contribution to the fixed deposit are tax deductible under Section 80C of the income tax up to the maximum amount of 1.5 lakh per annum. So, you not only end up earning interest on your money but also end up saving taxes. Parting words. So, when it comes to fixed deposits, don't settle. A fixed deposit account is an essential part of retirement planning and wealth planning for most people, and that is why Indus Bank offers best class features on its fixed deposits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any video just like this one. Please give us your thoughts in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.